Hello, this video is about sharing your OWL digital content. From entire tests to individual activities or custom scoring rubrics, OWL sharing helps you collaborate with your team. For example, let's say two users want to work together to build an exam. User 1 has authored the first section and User 2 the second. By using sharing, each user can create a complete test but only do half the work. We'll log in as User 1 and share our section. Go to the Building menu and select Sections. Click on this sharing control. The list that pops up shows which users you've already shared this with. To share with a new user, click the Add button. Use the checkboxes to choose the users and click the Select button. Click Done. This column called Shared Count shows how many users you've shared with. When you share something, you're giving other users permission to make a copy of your work. Something important to keep in mind: if you make changes before the other user makes their copy will include those subsequent changes. You'll probably want to remove the sharing permissions once your teammate makes their copy. To remove the sharing, click on the sharing icon again. Choose the users to be removed, click the Remove button, and then Done. If another user has shared something with you, then you'll want to watch the Accessing OWL Shared Content video. Thank you for your time and for choosing the OWL Test Management System.